Hi everyone, my name is Ashish and today I'm going to talk about noun. Please watch the entire video, you will get the detailed information about noun. A noun is the name of a person, place, thing or idea. When do we use a noun? We use nouns to name people. Example, the teacher is speaking. Name places. Example, Pune is beautiful. Name things. Example, this book is useful. Or express idea. Example, confidence matters. There are different types of nouns. The first one is common noun. A common noun is a general noun. Examples, boy, city, teacher. Proper noun. A proper noun is a special noun. It starts with a capital letter. Example, Ashish, Pune, India. Concrete noun. A concrete noun can be seen or touched. Example, chair, phone, dog. Abstract noun. An abstract noun can be felt but not touched. Examples, confidence, honesty. Collective noun. A collective noun is a name of a group. Example, team, class, crowd. Material noun. A material noun is a name of a substances. Example, gold, water, milk. Countable noun. A countable noun is a noun which we can count. Example, book, apple, pen. Uncountable noun. An uncountable noun that we cannot count. Example, rice, sugar, information. Compound noun. A compound noun has two or more words that form one noun. Example, classroom, bus stop, mother-in-law. Singular noun. A singular noun refers to one person, place, or thing. Examples, boy, book, city. Plural noun. A plural noun refers to more than one. Example, boys, books, cities. Possessive noun. A possessive noun shows ownership or possession. It tells us who owns something. Examples, Rahul's book. The book belongs to Rahul. The girl's bag. The bag belongs to the girl. The dog's tail. The tail belongs to a dog. Let's have a quick summary. Nouns name people, places, thing or ideas. Nouns can be singular or plural. Plural forms follow rules or patterns. Some nouns never become plural. Correct noun usage improves grammar and fluency. If you have understood the usage of noun, then please check the test in the description below. You can also visit my website www.enlightspokenenglish.com. Thank you very much and have a wonderful day ahead. Bye.